Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So, I lost a bet with Renee, and I have to do a white rice casserole. So here we go. It's called Beefy Rice and Beans. So, you see that rice, Renee?
Yep, we've got our white rice already cooked.
Courtesy of my nurse, Dawn. Thank you so
Dawn.
much.
So we should put that as our first layer in the casserole.
Yes, and we'll be right back.
Alright, so the rice is in the pan, and I'm guessing the beef will be next?
Nope.
No, okay, so what should we do next?
The egg, and then we mix that in.
Alright, so we have our egg mixed through the rice, and Crystal has told me our next ingredient. It is something we're famous for here on Recipes Mania. It is cheddar cheese soup. So we'll go ahead and add that in. All right, the cheddar cheese soup layer is on, and this is looking yummy. What should we do next, Crystal?
Okay, we're gonna take that garlic and we're gonna mix it into the beef.
All right, we've got about 3 cloves of garlic here. We like garlic here. You can do less if you don't like it as much as we do, but we're gonna go for it here and add that into our beef and mix it through. All right, we've got the garlic mixed into our beef, which we already have nice and brown. Should we add that to our casserole?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we have our ground beef and garlic mixture into the casserole. And Crystal says next comes black beans. So we have 1 can of undrained black beans going in.
Okay, so the next ingredient is our white beans, but we had to drain these because white beans undrained, yuck.
All right, all our beans are in.
All right, now we're just gonna do a little bit of salt.
All right, salt on.
Now pepper, but we're gonna do a little more of that.
All right, the pepper is on and we are ready for the oven. We have it preheated at 375 and we're gonna put this in for 30 minutes. The first 15 with the lid off and the second 15 with the lid on. All right, it is done and it looks yummy. We've got a nice piece cut out right there. You can see all the cheese and beans and beef. Can't wait to try this and take it home and have it for dinner later with my family. As Crystal said, I can take it home. All right, we'll see you back here next time for Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.